Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We're very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, we will talk about health.
How to talk about health in simple English.
Simple phrases you can use every day.
If you like learning English with us, please like this episode.
And subscribe to our channel.
Let's learn slowly, step by step.
Good job for being here today. Section 1. Saying how you feel.
Let's start with a very easy sentence. I feel good.
I feel good.
Repeat with me. I feel good.
This means you are healthy.
Another sentence. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Both. I feel tired.
Example. I feel tired after work.
Good example. Another one. I feel sick.
I feel sick today.
Both. I feel sick.
Great.
Listen again. I feel good. I feel tired. I feel sick.
Now you say it. Good job. Section 2. Asking about health.
Let's ask questions.
How do you feel?
How do you feel? Both. How do you feel?
Example. How do you feel today?
Answer. I feel good.
Another answer. I feel tired.
Another answer. I feel sick.
Listen again. How do you feel? I feel good. I feel tired. I feel sick.
Your turn. Nice.
Section 3. Talking about pain.
Now let's talk about pain. My head hurts.
My head hurts.
Both. My head hurts.
Another. My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. Both. My stomach hurts. Another. My back hurts.
My back hurts.
Both. My back hurts.
Example sentence. My head hurts today.
My back hurts after work.
Listen again. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts.
Repeat. Great job.
Section 4. Going to the doctor.
Sometimes we visit a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor. Both. I need to see a doctor. Another. I have an appointment.
I have an appointment.
Both. I have an appointment.
Example. I need to see a doctor today.
I have an appointment tomorrow.
Listen again. I need to see a doctor. I have an appointment.
Your turn. Excellent.
Section 5. Medicine.
Let's talk about medicine. I take medicine.
I take medicine.
Both. I take medicine.
Another. I take pills.
I take pills. Both. I take pills. Example. I take medicine in the morning.
I take pills at night.
Listen again. I take medicine. I take pills.
Repeat. Good job. Section 6. Healthy habits.
Now, healthy habits. I eat healthy food.
I eat healthy food.
Both. I eat healthy food. Another. I drink water.
I drink water.
Both. I drink water. Another. I exercise.
I exercise.
Both. I exercise. Example. I drink water every day.
I exercise in the morning.
Listen again. I eat healthy food. I drink water. I exercise.
Your turn. Nice work. Section 7. Simple dialogues. Real life.
Let's listen to a small conversation. Hi, how do you feel?
I feel tired.
Why?
I did not sleep well.
You should rest.
Thank you. Listen again.
Hi, how do you feel?
I feel tired.
Why?
I did not sleep well.
You should rest.
Now you try this dialogue. Great. Section 8. Advice.
Let's give some simple advice. You should rest.
You should rest.
Both. You should rest. Another. You should drink water.
You should drink water.
Both. You should drink water. Another, you should see a doctor.
You should see a doctor.
Both, you should see a doctor.
Section 9. Daily health talk.
I wake up early.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
I feel good.
Simple and real English. You can say this too. Section 10. Body parts and pain. Now let's talk about more body parts.
Repeat after me. My leg hurts.
My leg hurts.
My leg hurts. Another. My arm hurts.
My arm hurts.
My arm hurts.
Another. My throat hurts.
My throat hurts. My throat hurts. Example. My leg hurts after walking.
My throat hurts today.
Listen again. My leg hurts. My arm hurts. My throat hurts.
Your turn. Nice. Good job. Section 11. Describing symptoms.
Now let's describe symptoms. I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
Another. I have a cold.
I have a cold.
I have a cold.
Another. I have a cough.
I have a cough. I have a cough. Example. I have a cold today.
I have a cough at night. Listen again. I have a fever. I have a cold. I have a cough.
Repeat. Nice. Section 12. Simple doctor dialogue.
Let's listen to a conversation.
Hello, how do you feel?
I feel sick.
What is wrong?
I have a fever.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I do.
You should rest and drink water.
Thank you. Listen again. I feel sick. I have a fever. Yes, I do.
Now you try. Good work. Section 13. Talking about sleep.
Sleep is important. I sleep well.
I sleep well.
I sleep well.
Another. I did not sleep well.
I did not sleep well.
I did not sleep well.
Example. I did not sleep well last night.
I feel tired.
Listen again. I sleep well. I did not sleep well.
Repeat. Nice. Section 14. Eating for health. Let's talk about food. I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
I eat fruit.
Another. I eat vegetables.
I eat vegetables. I eat vegetables. Another. I eat junk food.
I eat junk food.
I eat junk food.
Example. I eat fruit in the morning.
I eat vegetables at lunch.
Listen again. I eat fruit. I eat vegetables. I eat junk food.
Your turn. Nice. Good job. Section 15. Healthy choices.
Let's make healthy choices. I choose water.
I choose water. I choose water. Another. I choose healthy food.
I choose healthy food.
I choose healthy food.
Example. I choose water, not soda.
I choose fruit, not candy.
Listen again. I choose water. I choose healthy food.
Repeat. Section 16. Exercise talk. Let's talk about exercise. I walk every day.
I walk every day.
I walk every day.
Another. I stretch.
I stretch. I stretch. Another. I go to a gym.
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym.
Example. I walk in the morning.
I stretch at home.
Section 17. Feeling better. Now let's say we feel better. I feel better.
I feel better. I feel better. Another. I feel much better.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
Example. I took medicine. I feel better.
I slept well. I feel much better.
Section 18. Mini conversation.
How do you feel today?
I feel better.
Why?
I slept well and drank water.
That's good.
Thank you.
Wrap up.
Today, you learned many health phrases.
You learned, I feel good. I feel tired. I feel sick. My head hurts. I take medicine. I eat healthy food.
You are improving.
We are proud of you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do to stay healthy?
And what time do you wake up?
See you next time.
Bye-bye.